Many parents are so many parents are thinking like how can give the dowry because of their financial condition is not a good and not stable. They push the girl to second floor, and she got many traumas, brain hemorrhage, and she's life. But she got divorce also. But nowadays she is totally mentally destroyed. My topic is dowry system. So I think everyone should be think about the dowry. Dowry is most crucial thing in our country. But in golden era, dowry is most happiness things. Just because when bride family give to their some gifts, some jewelry, something. So they are giving own for own meals and own happiness to give the groom family, just because when we married our daughter, so that's why she live with comfortable, respectful and peaceful their life. Means the benefit of the dowry is for comfortable. But today the dowry is just like demanding. Why demanding? Just because many groom families are seeing in society her son having so much dowry, her son is so much dowry, and in dowry more expensive things just like money, properties, some vehicles, furniture, everything. So the dowry is today's time. The dowry is like a very pressurized things on the bride family. Just because many bride families are not financially supportive, not financially good. So that's why they sell their properties for arranged dowry. Sometimes they also sell their kidneys also. Sometimes they very pressurized, and sometimes they are mentally not stable. Sometimes the dowry is given, groom family is happy, but after 2-3 years, the groom family demanding. Just like, for example, in my village, that is the true story. Groom family is not demanding any type of dowry at the time of marriage, but after 2-3 years, groom says that her wife, I want to start my own business here, so that's why I arrange money. So the bride wife says where I am arrange money. So that's why he told to her, and you told your father. So she clearly denied. I am not arranging the money to my father. So they are torturing, and after 2-3 months, they give her to the fire, and he have 3-year-old daughter also, and they thrown in fire the 3-year daughter also, and both are burned. So in our society, the dowry is like the groom family dowry is like a very beautiful gift. But as to their parents, who they are arranged, many type of problems facing, many type of situations are having, they are critically mentally harassed. But in case of some expensive dowries, not for those grooms, they have not financially good, so that's why they are demanding. But that boys family are also demanding, which are very stable, very good in financial condition. One more example for that, a girl is 25-year-old, and she is her profession is doctor, and she got married with the same profession. He is also doctor. And his family is demanding 20 lakh rupees, one 4-wheeler gadi, some jewelries and property also. Her father is able to give them. So that they give all the things which are demanding by the groom family. But after 2 years, she born 2 twins daughter. They are then all are in-laws family torturing. Two girls are you take birth. So after 3 to 6 months, they are pressurizing for more money to their father. So she clearly denied, and they push the girl to second floor, and she got many traumas, brain hemorrhage, and she's life. but she got divorced also. But nowadays she is totally mentally destroyed. So in today era, my thinking is that dowry is a very good thing. That when we are not demanding, when groom family is not demanding. So that's why this is that is the happiest thing. But sometimes the demanding, the torturing, sometimes the girls are suiciding, sometimes groom family are taking the fire, sometimes they cut into the pieces and buried anywhere. So these type of problems facing our society. So my thinking is that first of all, we educate both families, not depending the girls. Both families are educated. Girls are more educated. Girls are employed. Many strict implements laws are made by government. And one more thing, when we are support a simple marriage, just like court marriage, sometimes temple marriage, and no any demands, no any no any show off, just like in my marriage, so the fountain chocolates is available and some pan are available. These type of this type of arrangement is like a show off.
What is the dowry system? Dowry system is a custom and ritual in our India now, but now is dowry system is converted into demand, like property and so many expensive gift, electronic appliance and cash also, like 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs also. And dowry system is a concept was give to the bride family to stable to her daughter financial condition is stable after the marriage. And dowry system is so many groom parents are demanding so many things are like I already told 20 lakhs and electronic appliance and expensive gift also. And so many because of so many parents are thinking like how can give the dowry because of their financial condition is not good and not stable. Some cases in India, so many parents are getting married her daughter, but they will not give the much more dowry, because that's why daughter-in-law they will torturing like a mental torture, physical torture. Some cases bride is attempt suicide, and so many parents are thinking like how can get married her daughter, because they are not give the expensive gift and more money also, because their financial condition is not stable. Thank you for listening carefully.